Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I hope that you liked my previous makeup look. That was a basic makeup look. I hope that you like. So today I'm very excited to share this aesthetic sky blue makeup with you guys and hope that you like. Let's start. First we'll start with our eye makeup. That is just simple sky blue aesthetic looks we have to give to our eyes. And for that I have applied this tape because sometimes the angle go wrong. So I'm using this Oriflame The One concealer on my eyes. Just see how I'm using, how much quantity I'm using. Accordingly you have to see. That's it. Only 3 drops and just blend it. Just do it very carefully. Now it's time for my eyeshadow. I'm using this. First I'll just take it on my hair, this hair. So yeah. It's looking beautiful. Yes. Okay, with the help of lighter shade, I just blend it. For eyeliner I'm using this Lakmé eyeliner. It's perfect. Yeah. So going with very simple sober style of eyeliner, basic or classic. Finally done with this, and now I'll apply the same eyeliner as a mascara. So I told you guys how my interest got changed regarding mascara. So let's start. Yeah, it's perfect. Now I'm adding some depth in my eyes by using Huda Beauty kajal. So here it is. So starting my makeup with this moisturizer, Lakmé Peach Milk. So you know how to apply this. I taught you in last video. Apply in dots. I'm using this Jordani Gold foundation, but I'm using it very bit, just very bit. You can see how much I've taken here. Actually in summers I try to avoid wearing this foundation, but I'm getting need of this today. So just see how much I have applied this foundation. So let me blend this. Oh, these baby hairs. So, see, I've done. I know it's looking like I have not used foundation at all, but still I have used just a bit. So now it's time for concealer. I'm using Oriflame The One concealer. It's very long lasting. I've taught you already that how to use this concealer. Where you finding need only, you have to apply there only. Now it's time for my brows. You know that I'm using this Huda Beauty 2-in-1 eyebrow brush pencil and eyebrow brush. So first just combing my eyebrows, then I'm using this eyebrow pencil. Make sure about the shape you have, what shape you have to give. Fill the eyebrows properly. Done. Next, again, this brush. Now it's time for my favorite face powder, that is of Colorbox. So, it's my favorite activity now. Now it's time for my favorite brush palette. Use this brush. Yes. Make sure you smile while applying the blusher. Bit on chin, bit on nose, bit on forehead. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. And highlights. Have to give highlights. You know where to give. I have already taught you. Now it's time for lipstick. I'm taking Huda Beauty matte lipstick. So shade this, you can see. So it's very nice color. Okay, now I'm taking this Huda Beauty Liquid matte. Shade this. By mixing these two shades, I'm trying to create a new shade. So let's see which shade comes. More or less the shade is same. See. The last thing I'm gonna use for my makeup is this makeup fixer spray of MAC. So just shake well before use and just keep at a distance of just here, okay? And keep it distant to your face and just give only 2 or 3 sprays as I told you before. So not just here and just do like this. No, just keep it away from your face and then you have to give the sprays. So 1, 2, and 3. Close your eyes. Close your lips. Now. Just take help of your hands and just let it. It's perfectly fine. So finally done. So how I'm looking? Just tell me. So see you guys. Love you. Thanks for watching and keep supporting. Like, comment, share and press the bell icon as I told you before. Don't forget to subscribe as I told you before. Bye. Be safe. Take care of your family, of yourself, and bye bye.